I get asked all the time about using the Zona Plus for people who have heart issues or people who've experienced issues with cardiovascular problems in the past. And a lot of times what happens is they're afraid of working out or doing traditional exercise because they're afraid of that heart rate increasing so much that it can cause problems. And that just creates a bit of a vicious cycle, honestly, because if you're not working out, it leads to greater cardiovascular problems. And if you have cardiovascular problems, you should be working out. And we get asked the question, like, well, what should I do? And I'll tell you, one of the best things that I've found is the use of the Zona Plus. And the Zona Plus uses isometric hand grip exercise to do a full body cardiovascular workout using, again, just the hand. It can actually be done right in the comfort of your own home, from your couch, from your kitchen table while you're drinking a cup of coffee in the morning. But it's easy enough to do this hand grip exercise because the device guides you through it, tells you when to squeeze it more, when to squeeze it less, when to take a break and switch to the other hand. All of that's part of the algorithm that's in the device. The beauty of it is that you get a full body cardiovascular workout, and it's the equivalent really of about running up and down a flight of stairs 3 times, which you can imagine how winded you would be after doing that. And I would never recommend that a cardiovascular patient go running up and down stairs, but because you can do it in such a controlled way, this device is incredible for doing that. So check it out, go to zona.com and see what I'm talking about.